Beta, in this activity we are showing the verification of Ohm's law. This is our battery eliminator of the range 2 volt to 12 volt. Now this is ammeter of range 0 to 3 ampere and the least count is 0.05 ampere. This is voltmeter of range 0 to 3 volt and again the least count is 0.05 volt. Now this is the resistance wire and this one is the rheostat. Rheostat is a variable resistance which we can use for changing the current in the circuit. Because for verification of Ohm's law we need more than one reading so that we can show the ratio of V and I is constant. Now we will switch on the circuit. You can see there is reading in the ammeter and voltmeter. Can you see that? So now if we change the resistance in the rheostat, you can see the reading of the ammeter and voltmeter is changing. So if we are decreasing the resistance, then you can see in this case the current is increasing and voltage drop across the resistance is also increasing. And if we increase the resistance, then you can see current and voltage drop both are decreasing. So this is verification of Ohm's law where we show the current is directly proportional to potential difference, or the resistance of wire if we have to take out. If you can see that ratio of V and I means potential difference and current, and that ratio remains the same. So again see the reading. Like in this case if we see the current is 0.5 ampere, corresponding to that potential difference is 1.5. So we can say 1.5 upon 0.5, that way 3 ohm is the resistance. Now again we change. Now if we bring it to 1, you can see voltage drop is 1 and current is approximately 0.3. You can see again 1 upon 0.3 is roughly 3. So that way the ratio remains 3, which is the resistance, and that is the Ohm's law verification or experimental verification of Ohm's law. Thank you.